Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your productivity and streamline your workflow, today's video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking and reporting in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a large team or working solo, keeping track of how your time is spent is crucial for both productivity and reporting. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the insight you need to maximize your efficiency using ClickUp's robust features. Step 1. Getting started. To get started, head over to ClickUp. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your details and navigate to the main dashboard. Bookmark your dashboard for quick access if you're using ClickUp daily. Step 2. Locate the Spaces section. Once you're in, locate the Spaces section. This is where you can manage different areas of your work and projects. Think of spaces like departments or project categories. Find and click on the three dots icon next to the space you want to work in. This menu gives you access to various settings and templates that ClickUp offers. Step 3. Select Templates. Next, select Templates. This is a powerful feature that allows you to streamline workflows by utilizing predefined setups that suit a variety of business needs. Templates save you a great deal of time and effort in setup and are a fantastic way to get up and running quickly. Click on Browse Templates. Here, you'll find a wide array of pre-made templates designed to cater to specific needs. Step 4. Search for time tracking templates. In the search bar, type in time tracking. This will filter the templates so that only those related to time tracking appear. Take a moment to review the selection and choose the one that best fits your needs. ClickUp's templates are versatile, and there's bound to be one that aligns closely with what you're looking for. Look for templates that include built-in reporting dashboards. They can save you hours down the line. Step 5. Apply the template. Once you've found your preferred template, hit Use Template. This will start the process of adding it into your specific space. A dialog box will appear prompting you to name this setup. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily distinguish this setup from others. While you're at it, select the location where you'd like the template to reside. After naming and choosing a location, confirm your choice by clicking Use Template again. ClickUp will then import all the relevant settings, lists, and views specified in the template right into your workspace. Step 6. Start tracking and reporting. And there you have it. You've now successfully implemented a time tracking and reporting template in ClickUp. This setup will help you efficiently keep track of time spent on tasks, analyze productivity patterns, generate comprehensive reports for stakeholders or clients, use ClickUp's built-in time tracking tool, or integrate third-party apps like Toggle or Harvest for more advanced options. Step 7. Customize to your needs. Remember, from here you can further customize the template to better fit your specific requirements. Whether it's for a specific project, client deliverables, or broader team management, these tools are here to ensure you maintain a clear, organized workflow. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what other ClickUp features you'd like me to cover. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides on productivity, project management, and making the most of your tech tools. See you in the next one.